everyone, this is one of my another videos that we are going to create that's really great. We can create it easily. Let me just copy that, paste that, see the transition and set what is so special about this. You can guess it. This is the videos and you look how great they are looking. Let's see how we can create this. If you like them, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We add another slide, we go to insert, we go to videos and stock videos. I think I downloaded it from the stock videos. If it's not important. We are going to download another video from anywhere. But let's go and see if I downloaded it from the stock video or not. I tell you to you before, it's not important where to get your video. It's just important it looks great. Okay, let's go down. Okay, I think I downloaded the video from somewhere else, not the stock video. But in the stock video, we have also a good video that we can replace it. And whenever I tomorrow watch this video, I learned that I downloaded from the stock video and I can't find it. And it's like always, it's happened anyway. Okay, let's see what we can use. This thing is good. Okay, this thing I think it's good. We can add it. Let's insert it. Let's insert this video. The only thing you must change the video we are going to add. It's not important. Let's wait a little for it to download it. After it's downloaded, we need to create these shapes. It's easy, so easy to create, but it also have a point. Okay, we insert another slide, blank slide, and then we go to this shape, create one. We put it here, okay? And then we copy that by pressing Ctrl and by pressing Shift, we resize it. Then put two of them here, but no. Before putting them, we must rotate it and make it the size we want. Okay, you see here, we don't use that thing, but we are going to resize it today. It's a little harder, but it's done the work as always. Okay, it's good. Now this thing is look good also, but we need to create this curve. How we can create that? It's really easy. We are going to insert a shape, then we are going to rotate it, or sorry, we can make it a bit better. We use this shape, we put it here, and then select these two shapes and go to shape format and then make them fragment and then delete the things we don't need. We also don't need this topping, but we are going to have them. Let me just make them union and put it a little back. Okay, we create our shapes. It's not great, but we can always make them better. Let's see what we created. Okay, it's good. But if you want, you can make them better like this. It's all up to you. We go to shape format and make them onion and then copy this image and select both of them. This trick is here. You must search for merge shape from here and then find the intersect and then run it. And then what we are going to do, we are going to set the playback automatically loop until stopped. Okay, then we are just going to copy the text, paste them here. This text we use this option here, you see, and for this text we use this option here. And this is a easy text, it don't have any options. Now let's run it, but before that we have anything. We have these two beautiful things. What are they? They are just two lines. You can draw them from here Let me just draw them. 1, 2, and change the color to this thing and send them back. Okay, now let's run our slide. You see, it's really great and amazing to see. If you like it, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you within 1 or 2 days. Have a nice